Hey guys, welcome back to Art School. Today, we'll learn something different. We want to show you how simple arts can be and how to draw different kind of trees simply with your fingers. You can put your fingers on the colors that you like. Then just press the paper like me. Use your thumb and index finger to get the best shapes of trees. We won't mind if you use other fingers as well. Now just draw the outline of the branches of the trees. Et voila! We are done with the simplest trees to draw in no time. Try it right now. We'll be glad if you share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next episode on Monday. Until then, stay tuned to Art School and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks!